So here's the speaker on the bench, and we're just going to start by giving it a little bit of a brush down. Try and get rid of some of this dust and gunk. Won't make it sound any better, but it'll make it nicer to work on. Got to be a bit careful with these old speakers, they can be very fragile. Excuse me, spider. Oh. There goes the glasses. Atkinson. I'm guessing that was either the name of the person who put it together or the name of the owner. Aha! Starting to see some pattern come back on the cable. $70-odd years of dust and crud. Oh, look at all that down there. Yikes. Alright, now we can see what it's like. We can give it a test. I'm going to start by testing the continuity of these coils, output transformer, and seeing what we get. I'll bring you back shortly.